So I just got this from Amazon, just got delivered today. So it's a USB charging hub device. I am going from, I had about 4 of these. So this has 10. So 10 connections, about 40 connections, but I had about 4 of them. They were all over the place. And I had a lot of wires going to it. It just became very, very, very unruly in my area. So I decided to expand to get an additional USBs chargers on a larger device or larger capacity or more USB ports. So on Amazon, I saw, I mean, Anker's a great brand too. This device is great too. But they had this, and I think it was about $65 or $59. And I decided to get it because it's only one device, one power cable, and I don't have to go crazy. So it came in this plain envelope, and then this is the actual device itself. It comes in a plain box, and so it's 840. It's 40 USB ports. So I bought, hopefully, you know, I believe in having more than what you need and needing more. This is the actual device itself. Okay, this is it came in orange color, which is pretty cool, nice looking. So far, so good. Oh, wow, it's nice. Digital display smart charging station. Fan automatically opens the display. Heat. So this is 40 ports, as you can see. So again, 40 ports. This is the volts and amperage. This is the model number and all the information on it. And let's see what this ends up giving us. So this is one side, and this is the plug, regular outlet plug for computers and stuff like that. I forget the type of plug this is, but you know what I mean. The back of it, it's nice. It's like a rubbery, plasticky type feel. That's the fan itself. Let me see how loud it is and everything. So, again, 40 ports. Pretty cool. So this is the location I'm going to set it up. Okay, so let me see. Let me set it up, plug everything in, and let you know if it works and if it's worth it. This is everything that comes in the box. The power plug and the device itself. And like I said, it's just a regular box itself. And I'm going to try it out and set it up in my charging station or area. Alright, let's turn it on, see what happens. That's everything plugged in. Let me flick the switch. Okay, there it goes. Everything is on. Alright, so I gotta figure out, I gotta see if everything works. And that's everything. Alright, so let me see how long it takes. Let me see how well it works, okay? It does make noise. I wouldn't set this up in a bedroom or something. Again, I set it up. So now I've got more than enough plugs, more than I need. I am very happy with this purchase. Seems to be working fine. It's charging everything I own. everything. Thank you. Bye.